Vehicle tracking technology offers significant operational benefits. Knowing where your equipment is located, measuring productivity, and creating accurate trip reports for IFTA and for IRP. But vehicle trackers also offer compliance benefits that tie directly to your safety management controls. Safety management controls are how the FMCSA determines a carrier's safety fitness rating. These controls ensure the safe movement of products and passengers through the transportation system and reduce the risk of highway accidents that result in fatalities, injuries, and property damage. Carriers are required to have safety management controls in 11 areas. Nearly half can be directly supported by the use of vehicle tracking technology, including improperly using and driving vehicles, unsafe vehicles operating on the highways, the use of fatigue drivers, driving and parking violations when carrying hazardous material, and reducing the risk associated with motor vehicle accidents. Studies show that carriers with a strong safety management culture are quick to adopt safety technology. It's these organizations that lead the way in safety standards, going above and beyond compliance to eliminate the risk for the public, the drivers, and their businesses. Consequently, they enjoy fewer accidents and incidents compared to carriers without similar safety management controls. It doesn't sound like a hard decision to me.